Or Venator. Where's this
He's
bug?
pushing. He's pushing, he's pushing. What the fuck? I'm stuck. You down here, down here?
Danger. Down here.
I'm gonna try to heal.
Yeah, me too.
He's right here.
Probe. There by that building.
I'm in push.
Oh my god.
Where is he?
Arc's on him. I'm crawling. He's... I don't know where he is, I can't see him.
Get
Nice.
Like a bitch.
What a...
Bye-bye.
Alright, let's kill it.
We can...
Or should we just press it?
Hello?
Oh, fuck.
Hello.
Hello?
Where'd you go? Are you friendly? Frying tofu was disgusting. You should be ashamed of yourself.
We gotta kill these
Underneath,
guys now.
underneath. Right here.
Hello. Hello. Oh, guns away.
Hello?
Our guns away. Our guns away.
Okay,
Hello.
alright, fine.
Guns away. Hello. Deep frying
three.
tofu
There's-
is absolutely like it's putrid. That you should be ashamed of yourself.
What did he say?
Your fire is just instant. Oh my god, Jesus Christ.
That's what you get.
He tried to kill you?
Only instantaneous violence.
Pull out his gun. Where
He's in there.
is he? Fuck, you tick.
This fucking tick's pissing me off. Oh my god. Heal. He's dead.
The other one got away. Shit, he pulled out his gun.
Okay, I'm on his body right here.
Motherfucker. Like, totally disgusting. Piece of shit. What do you think's gonna happen? Where is he? Where'd
Right
you
here, his
go?
body right
Knocked
here.
out Raider. Here.
Yeah. He's moving around.
Yeah, you're.
I think he's over here through the door.
Let's find him.
Do I have any enemies? Yeah.
Get ready.
Yeah. Fuck, I don't know what side he's on.
Yeah, I'll push it.
Mine.
Walk it up. He went out.
No. Yeah, he's dead.
Oh well. Hey, GG's though.
GG's.
Oh no! Oh fuck! Bro, just come in, bro.
They're fighting.
Oh, you got the back? Oh fuck! Oh, let him in. Let him in. Let him in. Alright.
Hello.
Let him in. It's a nigga behind you, nigga.
Shoot him. Fuck you guys. You guys are fucking retarded. Kill him.
Bruh, what the fuck?
Why'd you shoot?
No way,
Fuck.
man!
I killed one.
Dumbass.
I killed one. He's pissed.